Monday.com tutorial: how to use dashboards on Monday for beginners. Hi there guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can use Monday.com's dashboards. Yep. Now, dashboards are a great way to display what's important in just one place. So here on Monday.com, with 15 available widgets, users can now understand project progress, track budget, estimate teammates workload, and much more. It helps to keep your team focused and motivated on the high-level goals and boost productivity. What are dashboards, you guys? Basically, they are here to facilitate your workflow and make sure you stay updated on what is happening in multiple boards. You can create summaries, reports, and get a high-level view of everything that is important to you. You can select and organize groups from multiple boards in one dashboard as well. You can also centralize your data in one location and use your widgets to have all the tools and information you need in one view. First thing that we're going to do is to add a dashboard. And yep, to do this, click on the plus add icon located next to the next to the workspace you'd like to add that dashboard to. Next, click on dashboard. Alternatively, you can also add a dashboard directly from your preferred folder. So you can click on the three dots menu next to your folder's name and click on Create Dashboard and Folder. Now, once you're done doing that, you can then move on to the next step, which is choosing your dashboard type. You can choose whether you want your dashboard to be public or private. And if your dashboard is public, it will be visible by everyone in your account. If you choose the private option, your dashboard will be visible by yourself and the selected team members you are inviting to it. Okay, now once you've done that, you can now go ahead to step 3, which is picking your boards. To do this, click Boards in the top left corner of your dashboard to select the boards you'd like to connect to your dashboard. When you begin to connect your dashboards or your boards, you'll see a list of recently used boards for your convenience. If you are looking for a specific board, you can search for it in the search bar. And when you are finished, click Done and head to the next step. Note, however, that the amount of boards you can pick depends on the plan that you have purchased, you guys. So, next, step 4, you can now add widgets. Your dashboard is made of different widgets, you guys. You can use each widget to display specific information from any board. Yes, this is called cards in other softwares, but here on Monday.com they call it widget. To add a new widget, simply click on the Add Widget icon and select the type of widget you would like to display. You can choose from a couple of options like chart, numbers, battery, timeline, apps, and you can also choose to select from more options. And boom, your widgets are shown on your dashboard. All right. Who can see your dashboards? There are 2 types of dashboards. So, main dashboards and private dashboards. For main dashboards, this is if your dashboard is a main dashboard, everyone in your account will be able to see it. In your main dashboard, you can also invite guest users. For private dashboards, if you choose the private option, then your dashboard will be visible by yourself and the selected team members or guests you are inviting it to. Note, however, that admins of an enterprise plan will be able to view high-level details of a private dashboard, such as its name, subscribers, and creation date via the content directory. You can also share your private dashboard with your team members and guests super easily. Click on the share icon located on the upper right of your dashboard. Click subscribers and guests to invite your team members or guests. You can also share your dashboard with colleagues who aren't part of your account. Click on the share icon located on the upper right hand of your dashboard. Click invite to this dashboard to send a link or email invitation to your colleagues to make them read-only viewers of your dashboard. You can also change your dashboard from main to private and vice versa at any point. Click on the three dots menu located on the upper right of your dashboard and select Change Type to, and you can then change it to private or change it back to main dashboard. Now, what about requesting access to a private dashboard? If you've stumbled upon a private dashboard that you do not have access to, you'll find the below error message displaying that the dashboard is private and you currently do not have access to it. In order to instantly request access to the private dashboard, you can click on the blue Request Access button. Clicking this button will send a notification to all owners of this private dashboard showing that you've requested access. By clicking on the notification, the dashboard owners will be directed to the subscribers page to grant your access to this private dashboard if they so choose. Now, how can you print and export your dashboard? To print your dashboard, click on the Share menu on the upper right of your dashboard and select Print Dashboard. You can also use the shortcut CMD+P on Mac and Control+P on PC. Now, how about exporting your dashboard to Excel? Currently, it's not an option to export your entire dashboard to Excel, but you can export the following widgets to Excel. Your timeline widget can be exported. Also, your table widget can be exported. It's because of the nature of these widgets that can easily integrate with Excel. To do this, just click the Excel icon at the top of your widget to export it. The chart widget can be exported as different file types. To do this, click the three-dot menu above the widget and select Export to launch a menu of file type. You can also edit your dashboard at any point by toggling to the Edit button located in the center of your screen, right above your dashboard. You can also filter your dashboard, filter the information you see on your dashboard by clicking the funnel filter icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. So, yep, there are a lot more features you can access here on Monday.com's dashboard, but those are the basic ones for you to learn and set up your dashboard and so start using this platform. So, thank you for staying up until the end of this video. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It totally helps us a lot, big time. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace out.